A lot of you might assume that computer science is all about learning how to code and building applications, but that's only a small part of it. Computer science is what turns rocks into super fast calculators. It allows us to turn these boxes into machines that can run tens of billions of instructions in only a second. It allows us to video call our friends and family safely. It allows you to watch this video with the least amount of data consumed with the least amount of quality loss. Computer science has shaped the world as we know it today, either directly or by helping other fields do what they do faster and better. But making all of these things possible is complicated. In order to deeply understand how computers achieve all of these incredible things, you need to study a good amount of math, learn how data is stored on your computer's memory, understand complex algorithms and what they achieve, study the different types of hardware that are interacting with each other, analyze how your operating system allocates hardware resources to the software running on your computer, and more. A computer science degree will help you understand these subjects better than if you were to only learn by Googling. You can learn how to code for free with YouTube videos and free online courses, but what they won't teach you is how to come up with the algorithms that the languages have implemented under the hood. For example, you may know what the sort function does, but you may not know what steps are taken to actually sort something. It's like knowing how to drive a car, but not knowing how the engine of the car works. Learning how to code without studying computer science is like driving a car to get to a destination. Studying computer science is basically the same as learning how the car was built, which allows you to design new cars or car parts based on new needs. That is the difference between someone who has actually studied computer science and someone who hasn't. So if that got you interested in studying computer science, here's what you can expect if you were to study computer science in university. First, you have mathematics. If you are trying to study computer science, you need to expect a good amount of mathematics because these are essential to understand the base concepts that are used in computer science. And based on your interests in computer science, you might want to take certain mathematics courses more seriously than others. For example, if you were to study AI and machine learning and you're interested in that whole thing, you need to take your probability and statistics course very seriously. Also, your linear algebra courses seriously. I can't say linear algebra. Or if you're interested in researching algorithms, you should take discrete math and calculus pretty seriously. After that, you have your main computer science courses. Well, these are the main things that you study, and these are the most important courses, arguably. And they include Introduction to Computer Science, Data Structures and Algorithms, then you have databases, operating systems, computer architecture, etc. After taking these courses, you will have a solid understanding of how computers work, and you will also learn how to instruct them to do certain things, like, for example, sorting a list of numbers in an optimal way. Also, in courses like software engineering, you will be introduced to the non-technical side of computer science, like how to actually manage your projects, or how teamwork is done in, teams that build applications. Also, how cost estimation works for software engineering. In the end, you have your advanced courses. These will guide your career, and you will pick them based on your interests. For example, if you're interested in low-level programming, you might be interested in taking a compilers course, which will help you understand how compilers actually work, and also you will be taught how to build one. Or if you're interested in distributed systems, you might want to take courses such as cloud computing or parallel processing. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was inspiring and helpful. If you would like me to talk about any specific things in computer science, let me know and catch you on the next one.